everyone, welcome back to another video. So today is the Creative Nails collab, and this theme was picked by Leslie over at Hillbilly Nails. So if this goes completely wrong, it's all her fault. So she picked freehand thunderstorms. So I'm going to go in with this magnetic polish. So I will apply that, use the magnet, and I will apply 2 coats and then I shall come right back. Okay, see you soon. Okay, so this is 2 coats of the magnetic polish, just showing you there. So next I'm going to use 2 different polishes. So I'm going to use this from Lee, it's 040, and I use one from Umic as well. I can't remember the number, it's just coming up now. It's U022. It's like an off-white. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix these together. It doesn't go as sheer as I would like because I want it to be quite sheer. So I will add a bit of a base coat to it and carry on mixing it. And then I will take a ripped up makeup sponge and use that just to kind of like put this onto the nails. Okay, I shall come back once I've done that. Okay, I'm just going to finish applying this and then I will cure that. Then I'm going to apply a matte top coat. This is from Umic, just because it's easier to do freehand on a matte top coat. So that's the matte top coat applied there. So I'm going to be using this nail art gel. This is from Beauty Luxe. It's really, really good. So this is 003 and I have mixed it up. That's why it's a bit bubbly. So yeah, I had a bit of trouble with this. You know I'm not very good at freehand. And so I changed my brush I don't know how many times. And yeah, some parts like I just wasn't happy with, so I just wiped it off the nail. So yeah, I will just let you watch this and you can have a right laugh at how much I mess it up. Okay, I'll be back soon. Okay, so this is my last nail here. I don't know how many times I wiped this off and restarted it. My hand was really shaking by this point. I had to keep taking breaks because of my knee. Oh, it was just a nightmare. But I got it done in the end. So I will just continue applying this and then I will top coat. And then, yeah, this is this design done. Well, hopefully it didn't turn out too bad. Let me know your thoughts down below, and yeah, I will just top coat them and then I'll have pictures at the end. Well, I hope you liked the video today. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to head over to Instagram and check out the playlist as well. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed my video and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.